This week is exhausting. I closed down my house on Tuesday and I'm living in the van full time. Hey, I'm Michelle. Welcome back to Miles to Myself. If you've never been here before, welcome. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. So in case you missed it, the ceiling is finally done. I've got the lights up and everything. I wish I could say that the van was completely done, but not yet. It has lights, it glows, it feels like a room now. As I said, this week was huge for me. I closed on my house and this van is officially home now, except I'm not quite on the road yet. I'm parked at my mom's house until July 11th. I have some doctor's appointments that I need to go to before I hit the road. So last one's July 10th. And then I'm heading to Montana. So this is kind of van life with training wheels. I'm testing all of the systems, making sure everything works, and it's a good experience. Today is a little chilly, so that's why I have my coat on. And it's been good in the van. Sharpie seems to be doing okay. You can see him, I think, in the background taking a nap now. But I'm having a battle with pine needles. This spot in the yard is a great spot. It's nice and shaded. There's plenty of yard for Sharpie. But pine needles are dropping, hitting me in the head with these little tiny baby pine cones. And just having to clean the van so much to get rid of the pine needles. No matter how many times I sweep, they keep coming back like regret or glitter. And power, oh my gosh, this shore power setup. My dad had a RV 20 years ago, and I'm going to show a clip of what that shore power looks like. It's a little sketchy, but it does work. When we first turned it on, everything seemed to be charging, and then it shut right back off. We had to play around with the switch and get everything set, but now it does seem to be working. And my DC power is going down a little bit more than it was because I have the Starlink, I have my DC fridge, freezer, I have the DC lights, and I think that's it. I'm sure I forgot something. Earlier this week, I made oatmeal in the van, and the first try, not quite a home run. It was edible, but I didn't have a measuring cup, so I just kind of scooped handfuls of oats into the boiling water in my jet boil, and yeah, not a good way to do that. So the next day I did a little bit better. I added some frozen bananas to it and raisins, walnuts. It came out a lot better the second time. And tonight I actually made a 1-pot lentil stew, and that came out really good. I made it on the butane stove on my Lodge ceramic pot, and quite a big pot for one serving, but hey, it worked. Won't lie, I'm a little tired today. This week has been kind of chaotic, closing on the house and getting the van packed and ready to go and making sure Sharpie stays fed. It's been quite a challenge, but there is progress. Today I started my cabinets, my upper cabinets for the van at Saratoga Joinery. Not quite finished yet, hoping to go back tomorrow and get those wrapped up. And next week I might have a sink. It's supposed to come today, so we'll see how far I can get with the sink and the water hookup. So if you like watching my messy projects, stay tuned. Subscribe. This is just the slow magic of starting over. If you've ever wanted to start over in life, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for being here. See you next week. Bye for now.